Welcome to Manny's Automotive. Today we have a 2005 Infiniti G35 with the infamous codes for throttle position sensor or APP accelerator sensor. What the complaint is on this vehicle, here you go. I have the accelerator pedal, no acceleration whatsoever. I already have a new pedal in here that I know is good. But the main problem with these is a pretty simple fix, is that on the pedal themselves, right here where you see this little black rod that controls the whole pedal, there's supposed to be a little bushing here that holds it a little bit out. This isn't supposed to be touching this black piece. This black piece isn't supposed to be touching the metal piece here at all. There's supposed to be a little green bushing which pulls this out a little bit, which allows it to read the right readings. So the whole problem with this, why the car is not accelerating, is just because it's missing that. We have a nice pedal down here, which is all you would have to do to get rid of the APP sensor codes. Let me plug in the new one. Let me get my hand in here. Pretty easy to change too. It's only two 10mm nuts, which are, let's see if you guys can see them. One's right here, one's directly on top of this. Now we have a new accelerator. Let's plug back in the scanner, which I just unplugged. And you'll see just with a different accelerator pedal, we cleared these codes. Whenever the scanner catches up because I unplugged it. Okay, blah, blah, blah. No fault codes. Very simple fix on these Infinitis with those APP sensor codes. If you guys have found this video useful, please make sure to like this video below and also subscribe to my channel, Manny's Automotive. Thank you for watching and have a great day.